Loosen the screws at the bottom of the camera, then clip it to the appropriate spot on the frunk. Make sure it doesn't interfere with the wipers or opening the frunk. Open the frunk. Tighten the screws at the bottom of the camera to secure it in place. Remove the passenger side floor panel and feed the camera wiring into the car. Connect the camera wiring to the control box. Remove the driver's side interior trim. Remove the passenger's side interior trim. Remove the dashboard trim. Remove the interior trim on the passenger's side. Intel users need to add-pat the plug shown in the video. AMD users must first add-pat this connector for power. Then connect the blue plug shown to get the signal. Connect the camera cable to the control box as shown in the video. Route the wiring towards the steering wheel, following the path shown in the video. Mount the screen in the desired location. Connect the extension cable to the screen. Follow the video instructions to connect all necessary wires to the screen and reassemble any removed components and ensure all parts are securely in place. By following these steps in the video instructions, you will successfully complete the installation.